how to turn on or turn off mobile data to access internet on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, click on Data Usage. Scroll down and click on Data Usage. And mobile data is here if you want to turn on or turn off mobile data to access internet. If you want to turn off mobile data, so turn off this button, scroll and open quick settings panel. You will see mobile data is turned off. If you want to turn on mobile data internet access, so turn on this button and you will see mobile data is turned on. You will turn on or turn off mobile data internet access from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off mobile data to access internet on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.